So what you're going to do is go to the App Store and download Adobe Scan. There are other scanning apps, but this one is probably one of the best. So I already have it downloaded, so I just opened it. And then it automatically opens to the camera. Then after that, you put the thing you want to scan in front of the camera and it automatically captures it. So you just wait. Then after it's done, you can readjust it however you like, and then you can press continue or you can retake it. You could scan as many pages as you want, so I'll just do one more here as an example. And then just press continue or retake. After you're done scanning, press the bottom right corner, and then you can adjust it however you like. You can see all the features down at the bottom, so you can adjust the filter, you can rotate, you can crop, and you can make it darker, brighter, or grayscale if you want. After you're done adjusting, you can rename the title of the PDF, so I just named it that. And then after you're done naming the PDF, you just press Save PDF. So while it's saving, press Share, then press Share Copy, and then scroll all the way down to Save to Files. And then you want it to save in Downloads and press Save.